Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. I have done some very successful testing of uh, the knowledge which was provided by Shan Ansari and this in his YouTube channel, and I wrote the program in the light of the lessons learned from him. So my special tribute to him and my special thanks I want to express for him for his help. And let's see how we can download the reports and from the WhatsApp. And sometimes the WhatsApp groups, and they are so huge, and so you have to scroll up. There are plenty of things which you want your automation to handle. Pressing page up, going to the top of the hundreds of the pages in the WhatsApp, scroll up, and then you start downloading the things which you desire. Okay, so let me show you the code which was provided by Shannon Sari. So using his teaching, we have used his this code. We dimmed the web driver as a bot, and we dimmed the key KS for keys, because sometimes you have to press a page up, page down. So elements, you have to search for a certain element. So selenium.web element is going to help you, right? So and the by the class when you are searching by certain, so like XPath, etc. And the integer. Then you start the Chrome with WhatsApp. Yeah. So here we give a stop here. A message box would come to make sure that you scan the and log on to the using the barcode. And what do you say that means? Because it takes time to log in sometimes. So this will allow you to do the rest of the things. And then we once the screen settles and WhatsApp gets ready, then you can click OK. Then it will start going up and down. So this is where you write or whatever the what WhatsApp group you want, or the name of the WhatsApp name. So I have chosen this one for testing. Okay, so and then it will start sending the enter. So it will open the WhatsApp, the desired WhatsApp account for you, in which there are the posts. Some of them would you like to, which you would like to download. Okay, so the next is this testing that you are setting a certain say certain message from which you want to start upward, right? So for example, this was the message you want to set. So we will set it up once it is. Okay. But let's we can give an input screen here as well to give you like let's put an input box. This will let you paste the message, the latest message from which it should start, right? So input box, it is lit, paste the recent text, recent means the text from the text from the recent post, right? So this is here, and then you are going to give skip the title, and default is going to be this one, right? Here you are going to put the text, right? So this is going to be stored in where? This is going to be stored in a span text, okay? Right. So let's see that how it works. And then we are going to scroll up to pages until it reaches the normal WhatsApp message, right? So that means the top of the file has encountered. Okay, and or you may have some sometimes this message does not come, and you have something message like this that use WhatsApp on your phone to see older message. Yeah, so that is also meaning that you are on the top of the current WhatsApp screen, right? So we will put a breakpoint also in here just to see that what happens, right? So this was a page up scenario which we would like to see. And then comes the downloading, in which I need the help from you guys, that how I can do. This is a critical part, and this is where I need the help from the experts like Shannon Sari if he's watching my video. So this is actually a query. How I have this command successful, right? This is functioning, but this command uh, here it fails, right? Okay. So I use the inspect and determine that this will take me to where I want the things to be downloaded, right? So this is where I need the help, right? So and the thumbnail, this is nowhere in my this selector is nowhere found in my scenario. So this we will see check. Okay, so let's start the procedure. So this is the end of the job, right? And we will show you that how it works. And thank you very much again to Shannon Sari for great teaching. What I means there are some my queries. If these be answered by the experts, I will appreciate. Okay, so let's start and see how does work. So it is opening the WhatsApp. Of course, it will come up with a screen. And on the other hand, you would see that in Excel, it will be showing this. So do not, I will not click OK until I make sure that this step is done, right? So let me do this. I'm now logging into the linked devices, and here it is being logged. Okay, so once the screen settles down, I'm going to click OK, so that clicking OK would tell him that, yes, now you can go ahead and execute the remaining of the code. Okay, so let me make sure. Yeah, this is ready. Okay, the code is ready. Fair enough. And right, so what will it do is it is going to search for let's see, it will click here and write that. Okay, so let's get back here and run. Oh, we have to get back to the Excel, where it is waiting for us to click OK. Okay, click OK, and now we see that it is prompting us the last message which you want to benchmark it. Okay, okay. So it has successfully reached to the group. What we want is we want okay. So that's it's okay. So hang on. Yeah, they are. Yeah, this is where I am using, and I do not want this thing to appear anymore. So we will go back. Okay, so now we will click some message here to benchmark it, because Shannon Sari actually put a message here. I do not want to and send an unnecessary unwanted message in my case. Yeah. So what I will do that I will search for this. I will search for example, this one. Control C, because the code is asking me to enter what do you want this to be message. So I will right. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be the code, and we click OK. Now it is going to perform the page up procedures, right? And it will move up. And so let's see. This is the code which has been it is running, and it takes some time. It takes sometimes it takes some delays in actioning and going up. So let's wait. Okay, so this is the topmost there. So it has reached to this point. Okay, so pressing the page up to the most. So it has reached to the June 2, 29 June 2023 date messages. Okay, and it is still running. Let's see, because and we can stop it, and so that we see that where is it going. Okay, it is doing the page up and then waiting for 1 second. waiting for 1 second, and then going further, and it is waiting for, yeah, it is then it is waiting for this text. Okay, so this was the text. That's fine, and it has now it is doing that. So he has recommended that it should be within 100 iteration instead of 1,000. But my messages are sometimes very bulky. There are too many messages and too many pages. That's why we have to adjust it to 1,000, right? And each time it is going there. So let's put a breakpoint in here and run it. Okay. Hmm. So you have to be very, especially the send keys, you have to be on that screen. Otherwise, it will start putting the page up in here, right? So let's stop it and do it again. Yeah. So this was the point from where we started, and uh, this was the message, and then it will, okay, we restart the message from here, okay, and we see that how it happens, okay. So, and let's make it 100 instead of 1,000 because it takes time, okay. So, okay, now I am going to execute this procedure. So it will wait for okay, and it will now get back to this, and it will start. It will ask you what you want to enter as a text. So the message which you want to check, the latest message that comes in here, okay, and then you click OK. Okay, so it has found the message. Um, if this message is then it will collect that message, otherwise it will stop. Okay, it did not find that message. That means it did not find this message. Okay. Well, fair enough. That's not a problem. The issue is that we want to execute. We want to execute from here actually. Okay. The messages are encrypted. So this message is not available in our case, right? So as soon as the 100 will come, so it will get out, and the value of x will be more than 100. So it will again perform something else to some other text which we have. We have some message that use your phone to see all the messages. Okay, so let's click next. Like, so now you can see it is 1. So it will carry on until 100. And as soon as it completes, it will come here with a value more than 100 because that message which we expected did not come across to our VB port. So in this case, it is going to search something which exactly available, right? So in that case, we are saying that if that message did not come, then search for this thing. Okay, so it will, let's click and see what is the X value. Yeah, what is the X value? It says it has come, right? So it has found this message instead. WhatsApp, use WhatsApp on your phone to see all the messages. So you can also check it, use WhatsApp. So it has uh, reached to the top of the screen from where there are no more messages, and it is asking you that you use this one. Okay, so so from here we would like to click on this message and see that how it comes. Okay, so as was told by Shannon Sari, that we go to the developer, and Control Shift and I will take us to Control Shift and I will take us to the developer, and we will bring this developer thing into this position so that we can see that's how it is. Okay, so we want the selector, yeah, and we want to know that how to download this one. Okay, so first of all, okay, let's see. So this is where we have. So we have this actual the path of the desired object, and we have to make a selector from here. So we will show you. So this is where I am stuck. I am feeling difficulty in making the selector from here. And if you see in my code, this is my code. Okay, it is now exiting, and then it is going to ban me with an error because my this code in which I'm writing that it's been search for this find elements by XPath. Press F8 and see. Now this is going to search for this. So what we do is we see that what error comes, right? Okay, so it is now checking. It is trying to download, and it is now taking. Well, it is going to the profile and something like so. This is where I need the help. Okay, I will try to contact you, Shannon Sari, and query. I have seen that he's responding to the query very well. One of the mm, uh, guy has appreciated him in the comments that the simplicity of teaching has broken the language barrier. Although he does not know the language, the Hindi language, but still he is following the methodology being taught. So that's the beauty of his style of teaching. That language barrier, there is no language barrier there. Okay, okay. Thanks for watching, and I would appreciate if anybody can help me from this stage. So that I want to download. I want to create a selector, uh, uh, selector, and to find that argument so that I can download the thing. Although the selector which was button that was for sending one. I need a receiving end selector, right? So this was a sending because in the video of Shannon Sari, there were plenty of documents which was sent to the to, on the WhatsApp. So and they had this thing, but what we are interested in is most of the we want to download the things which have been received. So received means on the through the WhatsApp. So I have the difficulty in creating the WhatsApp the selector. They're creating the selector, right? So as you have so yeah, in my case, it's no button yet. You know, right? And I want to download the file, right? So, so when I use a certain selector, I tested it, but actually I'm not following that why this is happening. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I wish you best of luck with your VBA experience. Thank you very much.